Good evening, everyone. Radhe Radhe. Hope you are all well and fine. My Laddu Gopal and I both are okay. Now I'm starting my riddle. I'm a national bird of Asian country. My name is Shekhar Falcon. Scientific name is Falco Cherrug. I'm a large hunting prey bird with broad wings. Officially, I am accepted as a national bird by country government in November 2012. I symbolize freedom and strength. What country am I? Can you guess it? If you guess it, you must write in your comment and send very quickly. I am eagerly waiting for it. Please subscribe my channel. The answer will be Mangalia. Thank you very much, my lovely guys.